boys. They say, yeah, but Cadaver Dans, no. You know what they say?
What do they say?
They say, woohoo! Everybody say, woohoo with me. That's right.
There it is, yes.
Oh, way out west where rivers ran and blue skies can't be beat. That's where I wanna be. That's where I'm gonna be. Way out west just once again, where happiness is complete. There's just one thing I miss, and that is thee. So give me a horse, a great big horse, give me a buckaroo, and let me waddle. Yes, sir, and then please give me a ranch, a big pair of pants, give me a Stetson too, and let me waddle. Give me the wide open spaces, 'cause I'm just like a prairie flower, growing wilder every hour. Never could dance when I dance, I ruin the lady's shoe, but I can waddle. It's just a gift from the prairie. You shouted with a bad engine, very good for calling pigs. Wah. Give me a moon, a prairie moon, give me a gallus shoe, and I can waddle. Then I can waddle. For the rest of my days. Wahoo!
Well, thank you very much. We are the Cadaver Dans, the finest singing cabarets this side of the Pecos. Bill Restaurant's right down over there. So if you want any tender riddles there.
they got some.
No. Hey, you gotta stay here and sing with us.
That's right.
That's right. All right, well, you know what? I think it's time that we learn a little bit about these folks out here. All right, now, how many of you have been to the old haunted mansion? Why would you do such a thing? That's the scariest place here. Yeah, well, you know what? It's scary because they got all them grinning ghosts or something like that. Hey, show them the face there.
Oh, yeah.
Isn't that the ugliest, most absurd, disgusting thing you ever seen?
Hey, that's why you're right here.
Oh, all right. Well, we gotta warn these folks about them grinning ghosts.
Come out for a swinging way, ambience materialize and begin to vocalize. Grinning ghosts come out to socialize. Don't close your eyes, don't try to hide or a silly spook. Makes it by your side, shrouded in a daft disguise. They pretend to terrorize. Grinning ghosts come out to socialize. Hear the knell of a requiem bell. Weird glows gleam where spirits dwell. Restless bones ethereal lies. Rise as spooks of every size. Grinning ghosts come out to socialize. As the moon climbs high over the dead elm tree. Spooks arrive for the midnight spree. Creeps with eerie eyes start to shrink and harmonize. Grinning ghosts come out to socialize.
Well, thank you very much, everybody. Thank you. The Dapper Dans are going to continue on now with another song. It's actually a country western tune entitled She Was Only a Farmer's Daughter, But All of the Horsemen Knew Her. Thank you.
I don't think they want to hear that.
No, I guess not.
I don't think so. How about we sing one of my favorite numbers instead? It's a cautionary tale. Don't run through the screen door, Nellie. You'll only strain yourself.
He's spraying himself. Yeah, they got it.
And of course, if you're still here after those two gems, you're not going to want to miss one of my favorite songs, an equestrian classic, simply entitled, "You Can Lead a Horse to Water, but a Pencil Must Be Lead."
You know, fellas, that song got a one-word review the last time we sang it. Yeah, you know what it was? Boo!
Oh, hey. To you, a boo. To you and 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 you.
Hey! All right, folks, that's right. When I say hey, you say what? Hey! What kind of ghost haunts a hen house?
What kind?
A poultrygeist.
To you and boo. To you and boo. To you and boo. To you and boo. To you and you.
Hey!
What?
What kind of pants does a ghost wear?
What kind?
Blue jeans!
To you and boo. To you and boo. To you and boo. To you and boo. To you and you. Hey! What? Why did the ghost cross the road? Why? Because he wanted to get to the other side. Thank you, sir. To you and boo. To you and boo. To you and boo. To you and boo. To you and you. Hey! What?
Why can't a ghost tell a lie?
Why?
Because you can see right through him.
That's who it's you know who. Every one of you, happy Halloween. Oh yeah.
All right. You know what? There's one word that comes to mind when we're out there riding the trail. No, not that one.
We already did that.
Yeah, we've already done that one. There's one word that comes to mind when we're out there riding the trail.
Yeah, what's that?
Rawhide.
Rawhide, yes.
Hey, why don't you lead us off there, John?
I can do that.
All right.
Keep rolling, 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 on the streams are swollen. Keep them doggies rolling, ride. Through rain and wind and weather, hell bent for leather. Wishing my cow was by my side, by my side. All the things I'm missing, the thrills of the kissing, are waiting at the end of my ride, of my ride. Move on, head 'em up, head 'em up, move on, head 'em up, ride. Head 'em up, ride 'em in, let 'em up, head 'em up, ride 'em in, ride. Moving, moving, oh, they're disapproving. Keep them doggies moving, ride. Don't try to understand them, oh, throw and random. Soon we'll be living high and wide, high and wide. My heart's calculating, my true love will be waiting. Be waiting at the end of my ride, of my ride. Move on, head 'em up, head 'em up, move on, head 'em up, ride. Cut 'em up, ride 'em in, let 'em up, cut 'em up, ride 'em in, ride 'em in, ride.
Thank you, folks. All right, folks. Once in a lifetime, a great bass singer comes along like none other.
Well, thank you, Slim.
And until that time, we got John Boy over here. Now, John Boy's been working on a solo his entire life. Unfortunately, he's dead now.
Yeah.
You still want to sing it, though, don't you?
I'd love to.
All right. All right. Why don't we warn these folks about the Boogie Man?
Good idea. Doogie ba-doo-dee-ah-dee-doo, ba-doo-dee-ah, doogie ba-doo-dee, he's the boogeyman. Oh, I'm really scared. So you're the one everybody's talking about. You're joking. I can't believe my eyes. You're making up funny. You're telling me, honey, this can't be the right guy. You're ancient. You're ugly. I don't know which is worse. I'm not just hiding myself now. If I don't like laughing first. When Mr. Oogie Boogie says the trouble close at hand, you better pay attention now, 'cause I'm the boogeyman. And if you are shaking, then there's something very wrong, 'cause this may be the last time that you hear the boogie song. Whoa, whoa, ding, ding, ding. Whoa, I'm the Oogie Boogie Man. You are, yada yada, you are, the sound of rolling dice to me. There's music in the air, 'cause I'm a gambling boogie man, although I don't play fair. It's much more fun, I must confess, with life. Not mine, of course, but someone else. Now that would just be fine. Whoa, 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 ding, ding, ding. Whoa, whoa, Are you sure?
Yes, it was, and it went right. I think it's time we sing these folks their favorite song.
Well, which one is that?
The last one. Especially these old folks that have any experience.
All right.
Happy
until we meet again. Happy trails to you. Keep smiling until then. Well, we better get heading back to the bunkhouse. It's been fun singing for y'all, and I hope we see you again real soon. Just remember,
Always! Never squat with your spurs on.
Till then, sing along with us. Happy trails to you till we meet again. Happy trails. All right, go on now, get it. Wait in line somewhere.